Mabuhay everyone! I am Erwin Alcuin Ihok, and today we're going to tackle about one of the most famous tourist attraction in Baybay, the Sea of Clouds in Barangay Villa Solidaridad. But before we start, why it is important to study sustainable tourism? Studying sustainable tourism is crucial as it encompasses environmentally friendly practice, cultural preservation, and socio-economic benefits. Sustainable tourism promotes responsible travel, conserving natural resources and biodiversity, preserving local heritage and traditions, and generating employment opportunities and economic growth. By understanding sustainable tourism, individuals can make informed decisions supporting eco-friendly business, and contributing to local communities, preserving natural and cultural heritage for future generations. And here are the content overview. First is the resource inventory highlights. Second is the survey assessments highlights. And third is the analysis and recommendation. And fourth and the last is the personal reflections. Sea of Clouds. The Sea of Clouds is located at Baybay, Leyte, Philippines. Sea of Clouds known for breathtaking sea of clouds, formations, stunning sunrise and sunsets, panoramic views of the surrounding mountains, and serene atmosphere. Sea of Clouds also rich in natural beauty and biodiversity, scenic hiking trails and outdoor recreation, local culture and tradition practice. So how to reach Villa Sul, Sea of Clouds? So at this part of my presentation, I will show you the map from Rabay proper down to the Villa Soledad, the Sea of Clouds. So there are also available transportation, tricycle, car, motorcycle, and scooter. So the tricycle are available from 5 a.m. in the morning until 7 p.m. in the evening. And what are the best time to visit? So the best time to visit in Villasul, the Sea of Clouds, is 4 a.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning. While in the afternoon, they're also available time, 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. in the evening. What are the things to do in Villasul, the Sea of Clouds? Of course, they offer horse riding, hiking, walking, and also taking pictures. They also offer foods. They also offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Villasul, the Sea of Clouds, have two cafes. First is the Incredible Cafe, and the second is the Sky Cafe. Resources, inventory, and cave findings. So they are four resources are available. The first one is the natural resources. The natural resources is include the Sea of Clouds region is a home of a rare endemic species. And the second one is cultural resources. The cultural resources is the local communities actively preserve traditional practice and historical sites. And the third one is social resources. So Villa Solidaridad is a friendly local warm and welcoming residents. And the last one is tourism resources. Villa Sul, natural beauty and outdoor activities attract environmentally conscious tourists in the area. Resources inventory and SWOT analysis. The first one is the natural resources. In the natural resources, there are four: the strength, weakness, opportunities, and traits. From the strengths, It's one of them is unique cloud formation and scenic views, while the weakness, vul- vulnerability to climate change, opportunities, ecotourism development, and the traits, environmental degradation, and the cultural resources in SWOT analysis. The first one, the strengths, rich in cultural heritage and Latinos traditions. The weakness, limited cultural infrastructure, opportunities, cultural tourism development, and the threats are loss of traditional practice, insufficient government support. The third one is social resources. So the social resources strengths are friendly and welcoming locals, strong community spirits, growing population, increasing education levels, while the weakness, limited job opportunities, brain drain, poverty and inequality, limited access to healthcare, while the opportunities, human resources development, community-based tourism and initiatives, while the traits, oppor- population growth pressures, social inequalities, limited government support, and natural disaster. And the last one is the tourism facilities. The tourism facilities are also have four. The strengths. Let's start from the strengths. So the strengths are Villa Soul Resorts and other accommodation, scenic view and attraction, growing tourism infrastructure, while the weakness, limited capacity and amenities, insufficient tourist information, poor road conditions. The opportunities, tourism infrastructure development, marketing and promotion strategies. And the last one is the threats are over tourism, seasonality, competition from nearby destination. And next is the green practice survey. They are strengths, weakness, and motivators. Let's start from the strengths. The strengths are recycling programs, composting, LED bulbs in public areas, low flow shower heads, toilets, on site herb and vegetables garden. While the weakness, no solar panels or wind turbines, insufficient recycling facilities, leaks, inefficient appliances. While the motivators, energy and water efficiency measures, protecting local biodiversity, increasing eco-conscious travelers, and last, tax breaks, subsidies for sustainable practice. Flowchart based on the survey report. Villa Solidaridad and Sea of Clouds are maintaining the green practice. We can conclude that the Sea of Clouds have the highest ratings by 5 and the lowest are NA. And second to the last is the analysis and recommendation. Villa Sol Sea of Clouds boasts breathtaking views, rich in cultural heritage, and unique in natural attraction. To enhance sustainability, recommendations include implementing renewable energy resources, waste management infrastructure, and eco-friendly accommodation. Community-based tourism initiatives, infrastructure development, and environmental conservation efforts will also foster local engagement and environmental stewardships. By addressing weakness and leveraging opportunities, Villasol can become a primary ecotourism destination showcasing by leading natural beauty and cultural richness. And the last one is personal reflection. Standing at Villa Sul Sea of Clouds, I felt a tiny unease. Nature grounded, the misty veil of clouds enveloped me, evoking serenity and peace. Every breath filled me with tranquility. The gentle breeze carried whisper of ancient secrets, shared among the lush green hills. Time stood as still a gaze as out of the endless expanse. In that magical moment, my heart felt connected to the universe. And that will be all. Thank you and mabuhay.